The solar photovoltaic installation faces many challenges. The first is climate condition, and what are the requirements for conduits. First, UV radiation. Solar conduit must have excellent UV resistance to prevent material aging and brightness caused by long-term outdoor exposure. Later solar conduits passed 1080 hours UV test without degradation. Second, temperature variations. The conduit should be able to withstand extreme temperature changes, maintaining its physical and electrical properties without becoming brittle in cold or deforming in high temperatures. Later, the solar conduits can withstand minus 15 degrees Celsius to 105 degrees Celsius temperature range. Third, humidity and rainwater. The conduit and its fittings must have effective waterproof sealing to prevent moisture ingress, which can lead to cable dampness, corrosion, or increase the risk of short circuits. Fourth, wind load. In areas prone to strong winds, the conduits need to be designed with sufficient strength to prevent displacement or damage caused by wind forces. Consider these challenges and choose the right conduit.